Hello, friends. Like Vivaldi's Four Seasons or Mozart's Eine kleine Nachtmusik, Beethoven's Fifth Symphony has become a musical cliché. It's so familiar, so ubiquitous, as to be hackneyed. Yet it's undeniably a work of pure genius. We just need to climb out from decades of performance practice and assumptions to make it shine. I remember watching a documentary about Sir George Solti rehearsing the Chicago Symphony for a performance of the Fifth. The rehearsal footage was intercut with interviews with the conductor, sharing his conception of the work. His analysis of the familiar first movement was remarkable, not least because he was trying to adhere to the composer's original metronome marking. If played as Beethoven intended, that first movement goes like lightning. The whole movement probably lasts 8 minutes, Solti said. Incredible, precise writing. The exposition, the development, and the recapitulation takes about 500 bars. 500 short bars, which is wonderfully precise and concise. A masterly first movement. The first time I preached at a friend's church in London, I was told that 8 or 9 minutes is what we expect. 8 or 9 minutes? That seemed impossible. But it was possible. It just took a lot of work. Blaise Pascal once concluded a letter saying, "I made this letter longer because I have not had the time to make it shorter." To write something that's at once brief and profound like the first movement of Beethoven's Fifth isn't easy. It takes time and discipline. Bad writers and composers use too many adjectives or notes, in the same way that bad cooks use too many ingredients, as diversion and filler. There are lots of diversions around, lots of things we can fill our days with. Yet life is remarkably short, sometimes shorter than we'd like. We don't make it more meaningful by cramming it full of unnecessary filler and distractions. We make it meaningful when we make deliberate choices and when we take time to discover the simple joys of life which have become cliché. A familiar blessing says life is short and we do not have much time to gladden the hearts of those who travel the way with us. But we do have enough time. And if we're intentional and wise, when our life comes to an end, we will have written a masterpiece.